Hi everyone, this is Jared Education na kung saan nandito si Jared para magbigay ng edukasyon. Hi everyone, welcome again to my channel, Jared Education. Now we're gonna talk about some basic math which is addition of subtraction and integers. Let's get started. Now, we're gonna do add first. Add is just simple. Pagka unlike yung sign nila, let's just say negative plus positive, ang magiging ano dyan is subtract it and then put the sign of the bigger number. Put the sign of the bigger number. Now, let's do some example. Now, for example, let's do negative 3 plus 5. Since unlike yung sign nila, we're gonna do the subtract it, then put the sign of the bigger number. Now, since 3 minus 5, it's equals to 2. Ngayon, nahanapin natin yung sign na pinakamalaki, which is yung 5. Since mas malaki yung 5 sa 3, ang lalagay natin is positive 2 pa din kasi positive yung 5. Medyo magulo. Let's try another example. Example number 2 is negative 8 plus 7. Ngayon, since unlike yung sign nila, we're gonna do again the subtract it and put the sign of the bigger number. How we gonna do that? Subtract 8 minus 7 is equals to 1. Now, find the bigger number, bigger sign of the number, which is the 8. So, ang sign ng number 8 is negative. So, we're gonna put negative 1. And that's the answer. Gets na ba? Now, we're gonna do subtraction. For subtraction, dito tayo masyadong mahihirapan because medyo nakakalito to. Pero always do the KCC. What I mean is, keep, change, and change. But how are we gonna do that? Here's some examples. Example number 1. Let's do negative 9 minus negative 8. Always do the parenthesis kasi para hindi kayo masyadong malito. Now, by doing the keep, change or KCC, always keep the first number, which is negative 9. Then, change the sign of the minus, which gonna be a positive 1 or a plus sign. And then, change the sign of negative 8, which gonna be a positive 8. Para hindi kayo masyadong mahirapan, here's some hacks. Pagka nakita nyo na parehas negative, just put the 1 here. Then, gawin mo siyang positive, ganun. Kasi ganun din naman kakalabasan, di ba? Negative 9 plus 8 pa din. Pagka, halimbawa, negative 9 minus negative 8. Just put the 1 there and then connect it each other. So, it's gonna be negative 9 plus 8, di ba? But, may lang po, guys. Charing. Now, since add na siya, we're gonna do the subtract it and put the sign of the bigger number. Now, isusubtract ulit natin sila. Since unlike sign pala sila, negative 9 or 9 minus 8 is equals to 1. We're gonna find the sign of the bigger number, which is 9, so negative 1. So, that's the answer. Guguluhan pa din? Isa pa. Example number 2. Let's change it. 9 minus negative 8. So, always do the keep, change, which is keep yung first number and then change the sign of the equation or the negative, which gonna go into positive or plus, and then change the sign of the second number, which is the negative 8, gonna be a positive 8. Since same lang yung sign nila, we're gonna do the normal addition, which is 9 plus 8. Wala tayong gagawin dyan. Pag-add lang natin, which is gonna be 17. Nagets na ba? Thank you for watching this video. If you learned something, hit that notification bell to stay notified and then subscribe. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.